Hi guys, today I'm gonna walk you through my headlight setup, how the air intake will be done, and we will start to fabricate the airbox. So these are headlights from Harley Davidson, and I choose this specific model since it has a high beam and a low beam compared into one headlight unit. There was a lot of different options that you have the high beam and the low beam separately, but this was perfect for me since I will be only using one light per side. And why I wanted to have the high beams is simply because I want to build in GT3 style possibility to flash the lights in the cars going in front. So thanks for joining today, and let's see what we can do. And here we have the air intake. They are 3D printed big ass air horns. So the outside diameter is the same, 5.75 inch, and then it's 4 inch from the inside. My friend 3D printed these, then I made the aluminum pieces so they fit onto the headlight frames, and then they are just glued on the right place. So let's mount these and then start to build the airbox. So now I have both headlights and air horns fit. Why I have the air horns on the both sides is just because I like to do things symmetrical. The right side will have a block-off plate, so the air will not go to the engine bay from there. And the airbox will be behind the left air horn, since in the K20 also the intake is on the left side, so it makes sense. So let's start to fit the airbox in. So earlier I have started to make this airbox. It's made from 3mm aluminum that my friend then welded together. Currently it's too big on the wheel well side, so it won't fit in. So we need to start cutting it bit by bit so it will fit behind the wheel well, and then we can start to do the mountings. Now I think we can be close enough. The air horn is now on the way, so let's take the air horn away for a while and then test if we can fit the airbox on its place and start to do the mounting. Now the airbox seems to fit well, so we can start to create the mountings for it and then start to fit the air horn in again. So the setup will look something like this. Now I'm gonna just screw the mounts in, and later all these will be welded onto the airbox. So now the mounting points are in. I need to make them a little bit shorter so they don't look as goofy as they are right now. And then the next thing, we need to create sort of a frame here where the lid of the airbox will fit. So let's do it next. Well, it came out with pretty good fitment. Now I need to cut the hole here, so then we have a possibility to change the air filter also when needed, so it will be not welded completely blocked. So now the top piece is ready for welding. I will finish off the 3 mounting points and then we can test fit it into the car. So now we have the airbox in place. I just need to install the rivet nuts for the mounting, and I think we are good to go. So now we have the first part done. All the mountings are in place and the frame for the cover is done. So now all these needs to be welded in and then I can continue. So in next episode we will do the hole here for the intake horn, and also we will do another hole here where the air filter will mount and then go from here onto the engine. And on the last thing what we will do, we will mount a base for the airbox so the air doesn't go out from the bottom of the airbox. If you like the video, put the thumbs up, leave a comment what should be done differently if you think so. Subscribe the channel and see you next time. Bye!